It's the most wonderful time of the year. Welcome, my friends, to the Natural Hair Olympics, aka Black Friday. Hello everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink, a natural hair channel where my hair used to be busted. I cut it off and then I documented the journey back to life. So anyway, you guys know that I love Black Friday shopping. If you don't know, now you know. I enjoy getting these things on sale. I also use this as an opportunity to stock my hair collection because I don't keep a large stockpile beauty supply store in my closet of hair products. And so this is how I get the products, you know what I mean? And so I like to get some things I've been eyeing. They're a little bit more expensive, we all know, okay? Last year's sales, they were all right. Last year's sales were good. They finally got it back together, okay? We were doing more than just free shipping, my friend. 30% off. So let me tell you what I would want to get into this year. I got my iPad here, I'm ready, okay? So the first thing I want to look into is the brand Briogeo. I have been following Briogeo on social media for a really long time. I just never really made a purchase with them, but I've been watching them the whole time with the intention to make a purchase, okay? So the one thing I want to get from them, well, one of the things, I want to get that banana and apple shampoo and conditioner. They have this line, I think it's called like Be Gentle, Be Kind, and there is an apple that came out first, and they came out before the Curls Green collection. I just want to throw that out there because the Curls Green collection packaging looks like the Briogeo apple packaging, and it was indeed green as well. I'm not saying they bit each other off, but I'm just saying. So that came out and I was interested in it. I did want to get it. And then they came out with another product in the same line, and it's a banana version of the shampoo and the conditioner. And they do sell this like value pack that has, I think you get a full size of the apple products, and then the banana products come in little miniature ones inside, and that would be cool with me. I just want to try them. I don't know. I like the whole fruit marketing of it. I don't know. And then this isn't on my list, but oh yes it is. Okay. Give myself more credit. The moisturizing deep conditioner that they came out with. Briogeo is most known for their protein deep conditioner, and the protein deep conditioner is not vegan. All right, so your girl's not purchasing it, but they came out with a moisture conditioner. I did see a couple of people do a video on it. I saw Third Eye Angel do a video. I can't recall who else it was that did a video, but I did see people try it out. I didn't even know the product was coming out, y'all. Like, it was like Nancy Twine, which is the owner of the thing, and I saw her like come on there with her natural hair, which I was like, oh, Nancy Twine got textured hair. I thought she was relaxed. She came on there and she briefly mentioned the deep conditioner, and I didn't even know that it really came out. They didn't do like a big push like they've done with their other stuff, probably because of COVID. But yeah, that's what I'm interested in from them. So 2 shampoos, 2 regular conditioners, and a deep conditioner. Okay, next one. This is another one that I've been looking at for a while, but just never added to cart for some reason, which is LUS Brands, or Love Yourself. They have these like, here's their whole marketing is like, they have these very simple packages, like 3-piece product lines or whatever that they have. It's a very simple thing. They don't really come out with new products or anything like that. In fact, I feel like they're kind of like under the radar, and a lot of people may not even know they exist. But I want to get one of their 3-piece sets, which comes with like, I believe it comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, and a styler, and then the stylers are separated based off of your hair type, which of course I never really pay much stock in that, because half the time stuff that they say for kinky hair is not really something that I would typically put on my hair, but I have technically kinky hair, whatever. So we'll see which one I get, but I am interested in getting their 3-piece set. Okay, this brand here has the longest section, the longest list on my little Black Friday shopping list, okay? That's Curlsmith, okay? So for Curlsmith, I have quite a few products listed here. I would like that shampoo from their blue line. They have a line where the labels have blue labeling on them, and then they have lines where there's like an orange labeling on there. So I would like the shampoo from the blue line. I would like to try both of their deep conditioners. Both the blue line and the little orange line both have a deep conditioner. I like to try them both because I looked at it and I said, I mean, I could go either way on this. I would like to try them. By the way, Evany of Evany with a V did do a video in which she did try both of these conditioners. So very interesting watch. Go check it out. And then I would like to try this cream oil moisturizer. A cream oil moisturizer. I would also like to try this In-Shower Style Fixer. They are claiming that this In-Shower Style Fixer is a stronger hold product because I know a lot of their stylers, first of all, a lot of them are creams. Second of all, they don't really seem to have a lot of hold from like the ingredients and stuff like that. But the In-Shower Style Fixer is being advertised as a stronger hold product and it seems very promising. And then if you've watched my channel for at least the last year, you might not be surprised by the last thing on the Curlsmith list, but the hair makeup. I want to try the hair makeup. Y'all know I like the gels from Gemini Naturals. And before the hair makeup, there was really nothing else like Gemini Naturals because a lot of people use these like waxes and chalks and things like that to do temporary hair color on their hair. And so Gemini was like, hey, we're gonna give you this gel that doesn't have any animal-derived ingredients, so yes, vegans, and here you go. And so I was like, oh my God, this is for me. She made this for me. You guys have seen me with the red hair. I've done a video on that, both applying it, rinsing out, and everything like that. I don't think there's pictures on my Instagram. My personal Instagram. That's where I had pictures with the red hair. Because I think maybe I wasn't posting on my creator page yet. Okay. Then there's a video I did on here, like it was at Empties, where I had a whole head full of blue hair from Gemini Naturals. And then, y'all didn't notice, but in my 10K like YouTube journey video, the middle patch of my hair is purple. It's purple, and it's legit, and it's very noticeable to me. When I watched the video on a larger screen, I was like, it's very noticeable that my hair is purple, but nobody commented on it. So I said, people didn't see the purple. They didn't see it. So, and then I have one that I haven't opened, as you've seen in my product stash video that came before this one. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. So I do like her. So what I want to do, I felt like the Curlsmith is very comparable. It's also a gel. They're claiming that you can style your hair with their gel though. Like it's a stronger hold, because I cannot style my hair with Gemini Naturals. Comparatively speaking, the prices are about the same. If you buy Gemini Naturals, you're just buying because you want to buy from a black-owned brand and support a small business, because that's basically what's different between them. Even the formulation, when I've seen people put it on their hands, they look very similar. So I wanted to get a hair makeup in maybe a color that is not similar to my Gemini Naturals colors, because I don't need the same color, you know what I mean? So I noticed they kind of had the pink. I noticed they had like the orange one, but I do have Gemini Natural Sunset. So I'm not sure what color I'm going to get, but I am interested in trying a hair makeup color. And I know Curlsmith isn't really generous with the sales, so we'll have to see what goes on with them. All right, off of that, onto Obia. Obia does do sales. They do it right, and their shipping is cheap anyway in the regular times. So I would like to get some more of the curling enhancing custard. This is absolutely not a new product to me at all. This product is a custard. It is not a gel. It's not even a wiggly custard. It's more like a cream almost, and it gives me Eco Styler Wetline results without the, the plasticky, more like unnatural ingredients. Only thing is that it irritates me like heck. And I emailed them and they said that they were coming out eventually with a fragrance-free, protein-free version of this product. I can't wait till it comes out. I'm assuming, since we've already made it to the month of November, that it's not gonna be out in time for Black Friday. So I'm just gonna buy the regular one. I can get 3 wash and goes between 2 jars. I think last year I bought 2 jars. This year, I might be generous and buy even more jars, like literally. I love this stuff. It gives me really awesome results, and it makes me feel good knowing that I'm using something that's not super like unnatural on my hair. You know what I mean? And then I have on here Eco Slay. Eco Slay, 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 slay. I would like they have like different bundles on their site, and they may or may not promote the bundles during the sale, or if they have a sale, because I've never shopped with them before, so I don't know what they do. But I would like this wash and go bundle. It has the marmalade, the orange marmalade gel, which I know that it's a lighter hold gel, so I'm probably gonna have to, I probably won't get as strong of a result with it, but I want to try it anyway. And then it's bundled with a banana cream deep conditioner. And I have seen y'all up here hyping up this banana cream deep conditioner. I have seen you, and I want to try it out. And then last, of course, y'all already know from EcoSlay, I want to try the Jello Shot. Jello Shot is supposed to be their hard hold, their firm gel. So I definitely am going to be trying it out because y'all know I do the hard hold gels on here, okay? Firm hold is where it's at for me. I am starting to experience more success with the botanicals. Check out my Instagram, the videos on there. But I am at my heart a hard hold gel girl. I prefer hard hold gels. Now I am gonna address this because I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments. You may be noticing that there are no Soultanicals products listed on my video, okay? And the reason why is because they have not been doing the liter sale, or they've been doing it in pieces, and that's typically what I would patronize every year. I would purchase things from the liter sale before Thanksgiving, and they didn't do it last year, period. And because the only thing, like I said in that video, is that I would probably get a salon size of the Drip and Grip hair gel. I love the way that that holds on my hair. Again, it doesn't have as plasticky, fakey ingredients as the Eco Styler and Wet lines, but it gives the same level of hold as those. I like the smell. I like that gel. But the small little size is just not gonna work for someone with hair like mine. It's the same struggle as that Obia custard being kind of in a smaller size. And it's the only product from them that I can't really just walk into a store and get on the ground. Like, I can buy Knot Sauce whenever I want to. In fact, I have bought it when it wasn't on sale. I can buy any of the deep conditioners anytime I want to, and I've purchased quite a few of their deep conditioners, y'all. I'm almost at the point where I could probably do a guide to Soultanicals deep conditioners video, probably. And I can get the cream moisturizers from them that I like at any point in time because they sell them in stores. So the only thing that I would be trying to get if I was going to shop from them is the Drip and Grip, and I would prefer a larger size. So, like, I'm not holding my breath. I'm not officially putting on the list, even though I'm talking about it right now, because I don't know what they're gonna do this year, and I don't really know if their shipping is going to improve and that kind of stuff. Maybe they're gonna have an exclusive product that I might be interested in. Who knows? In fact, none of this list is set in stone. I might buy anything else extra. I don't know, because y'all know there's a couple of brands missing from here that I've shopped with in the past that I just didn't put on here. So we shall see. You know what I mean? Now look, this video is over. Check out some videos over here though so you can continue to watch on my channel. If you like this product talk, girl, I got plenty of product talk videos on this channel. Go on, check it out. Subscribe, because I post videos every week, and I'll talk to you in the next one.